Hey there, keen fishermen. Today we're diving deep into the best season and months to catch snapper in New Zealand. While there's no guaranteed formula for success, understanding seasonal patterns can significantly improve your chances. Among 4 seasons we have here in New Zealand, research suggests that the best snapper season is autumn. Spring and summer are also good. In winter, just stay home and have a coffee while taking care of your fishing gears. Let's dive deep into the months that are best for catching snapers based on research. The general trend is a clear seasonal cycle with higher catches during the autumn months. As we can see from the graph, March, April, and May often offer excellent opportunities to get your best fish. Those months have warmer weather and hence increasing snapper activity. November and December can also be productive months, as snapper begin to congregate in shallower waters for spawning. Well, those are theories on actual research from the data that the researchers gathered. Let me know in the comment whether these theory matches you fishing experience or not. Tight lines.